Welcome to Harris Motor Company, based on Elder Road, Cobridge, Stoke-on-Trent. A well-respected name since 1907. For all your motoring needs, just think Harris Motors. Full on-site facilities to cater for all your motoring needs. We have a dedicated tyre bay, plus a 4-bay workshop in the back, and we're an authorised MOT station. We can carry out MOTs while you wait, in the comfort of our waiting room with a beautiful cup of coffee. All makes, all models are welcome. Trained technicians on hand to cater for all your motoring needs. Cars, vans, pickups, whatever vehicle you have, we can help. Check out our modern, clean workshops. Probably the best workshop in the area. From simple brake pad changing to major engine jobs, whatever your vehicle needs, we can help you. Why not pop in for a free tyre check before this happens to your vehicle? Does your vehicle have a cam belt? Remember, many manufacturers recommend that your belt should be changed every 5 years. Call us for full information on your vehicle and we can advise accordingly. Of course, stay cool. Full air conditioning treatment, regassing, diagnostic on site with our fully trained technicians, and help with rising costs to spread the payments of any repairs. We've teamed up with Bumper, the cost-effective way to spread the cost with no interest charges whatsoever, no admin fees. Very quick, very easy. Simply spread the full cost of your repair for up to 6 months. This can be for servicing, repairs, tyres, MOT repairs. It's very quick, it's very easy. Simply search Bumper, apply online, you get pre-approved. Alternatively, we can do this in our waiting area. It only takes a couple of minutes to get approved. The best way to spread the cost of all your repairs, interest free, with no admin fees. And remember, if you have a vehicle which is under manufacturer's warranty, we can do all the repairs, servicing without losing your manufacturer's warranty. All makes, all models, all catered for. Harris Motors, 01782 834 215. From supercars to all cars. From all repairs on any make, any model. From a Fiesta to a Ferrari. Whatever your vehicle needs, we're happy to help. Performance tyres or budget tyres. All advice is free of charge. Simply call us and we'll advise you. We guarantee the best deals in town. And just check out our reviews. Our customers love the way we treat them. Search Google Harris Motor Company and see what everybody's talking about Harris Motor Company and why customers come back to us time and time again. Harris Motors, your local trusted garage. Giving back to the community, supporting local football teams, just like the Millers. Why not download the Harris Motor Company app? This keeps you up to date with all the special offers, plus a reminder for the MOT and when your road tax is due. Very simply, scan the QR code and download the app. And remember, if you're local, we'll happily collect and deliver the car free of charge, or we provide a free courtesy car for your use while your vehicle is in for repairs. Please ask us for full details and terms and conditions. So remember, free collection and delivery, alternatively a free courtesy loan car. Harris Motors, for all your motoring needs, here to help.
Ever wondered how good it would be if you could go to one garage for all your car repair needs? Well, you can now at Harris Motors. Whether your car needs a service, repairs, new tyres or a new exhaust, Harris Motors is your one-stop garage. For all your motoring needs, call your local trusted garage. Harris Motors, 01782 834 215. That's 01782 834 215. Or visit our website, harrismotors.co.uk. Harris Motors, Elder Road, Cobridge, Stoke-on-Trent.